Remember, they're doing this also to kill the people who are driving this vehicle because they know that what this loud noise damages reproductive organs and it prevents the person inside from being able to have children. And even the person driving this vehicle, they're trying to kill, and the people who are around it also, right? Because loud noises will make a woman have an automatic abortion, right? And that is one of the reasons why they're doing this. And even the person driving the vehicle is being held victim of this thing that they were doing. Even the person in the vehicle, they are trying to kill. This is a conspiracy to kill people using loud noises and to prevent them from having children. I'm very serious.